Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amirana binti Muhammad and my ID number is MDA22111005. So, our group represent about the procedure and obligation that company need to comply. So, the self-assessment system, for the first assessment system that company need to comply is tax estimate. Under self-assessment, every company or trust body or the cooperative society need to require to furnish an estimate of their income tax payable for year assessment in a form. The submission of CP204 form must be submitted through the MyTax website. Next, we move to the requirement information needed in a CP204 form. First, we need to have name and address, income tax reference number, company registered number, tax estimate for the CA, accounting period and year basis, a commencement date operation, and competition of monthly installment. So next, for non-submission of tax estimate that issue offence under section 120(1)(f), for the company, trust body or cooperative society will be liable to pay fine not below than RM200 and not exceeding for to RM20,000, and imprisonment for a term not over than 6 months or both.
Hi, my name is Nur Salwahida Ahmad Sabri. My ID number is MDA2211038. For the year of assessment 2023, company needs to follow these steps. First, estimate their annual tax liability and divide into a monthly installment. Second, pay the monthly installment on time. Third, file the tax return for at the end of the year, ensuring payment and calculation are reconciled. Number 4, keep detailed records to support the calculation and payments. Number 5, consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance and optimize the tax management. By following this procedure, the meeting their obligation companies and effectively manage their responsibility under the self-assessment system.
To handle the revision of tax estimate under the self-assessment system for the year of assessment 2023, first, monitor your financial performance regularly to identify if revision are needed. Second, recalculate your tax liability based on update information and adjust your monthly installment accordingly. Third, notify the tax authorities of any revised estimates and submit any required documentation. Fourth, adjust payment based on the revised estimate to ensure accurate tax payment. Fifth, keep records of the revision and communication with the tax authorities. Sixth, seek professional help if needed to ensure compliance and accuracy. By following this step, you can manage your tax estimate efficiently and stay compliant with the self-assessment system.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafwani binti Shawal. My ID number MDA2211002. Next is submission of tax return form and payments. The company must submit the return within 7 months of the year accounts closing date. Have two methods, which is manually or LHDN website. But we calling e-filing. E-filing highly recommended because convenient and faster. If submit manually, the company must download and printing the forms.
Hi, my name is Nurindar binti Azman. My ID number is MDA2211035. Today I would like to explain about an amendment of tax return. An amendment of tax return is the process of making correction or updating a tax return that was previously filed. They need to amend the return if they discover that they have made a mistake, omitted income or missed out on certain deduction or credits. The reason to amend a tax of return is error in income reporting. If they forgot to include some income or misreported their earnings, such as living out, freelance income, dividends or other taxable income, an amendment is necessary. Next are incorrect deduction of credit. If they claim deduction of credits that you were not eligible for, you will need to amend the return to remove them and avoid penalties. Amending a tax return ensure that your tax filings are accurate, reflecting any correction to income, deduction or credits.
And printing the forms. Lastly, final of income tax. The last payment made to settle any remaining balance of tax owed. If failing to make the final payment by the deadline, the company will be penalized. If overpaid during the year, they will not make a final payment. They will receive tax refund from the tax authority. For example, too much withholding.